Hello and welcome back to the Coder Shop channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into recruitment module, focusing on job positions. We'll walk through the process of setting up a new job positions, configuring the hiring details, and publishing listing on your website to attract applicants. So let's jump into Odoo and get started. Let's begin by navigating to the Recruitment app. The main dashboard here displays all job positions categorized by their departments. These positions are presented in a Kanban view, where each card provides key details such as the job title, recruiter, number of applicants, and the option to mark it as a favorite. If a job position is published and accepting applications, you will see a published banner in the top right corner of each card. Clicking on the job position card will open a detailed view, where you can see all related applicants and track their progress through different hiring stages. To create a new job position, click the New button. First, enter the job title, for example, Sales Manager. Next, set an application email. This is the email address where applicants can send their resumes, and Odoo will automatically create an applicant record for them. Simply type the first part of the email in the first field, then select the domain and click Create. Once we create the job position, we are taken to its candidates page. Since there are no applicants yet, this page is currently empty. Now let's configure it with more specific details. We'll head back to the dashboard, find our new position, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the card, and select Configuration. This is where we can add and customize additional details. None of these fields are required, but it's important to configure department, location, employment type, and job summary, as they are visible to applicants on the website. Now let's quickly go through all the available fields. First, let's select the department for this role. We'll go with management/sales. Next, we have the job location field. Since this is a remote position, we can simply leave this field blank. The industry field helps categorize the job on job boards, so we'll select the most prevalent option. The email alias field is automatically populated from our previous setup, so we'll leave it as is. Now let's select the employment type. We'll choose full-time for this role. Below we can add some expected skills for this job position. Let's click into the skills field and choose search more. This brings up a list of general skill groups. I select some soft skills and click select. The mission dates indicate when the job position will be available. Leaving it blank means it's available immediately. But if there is a specific start date, we can enter it here. Next, let's move to the target field. This is where we specify how many employees we want to hire for this position. Then we can select the website where the job will be published. The recruiter field is where we assign the person responsible for this job position. This person will be added to all the interviews for applicants. We'll leave it as Mitchell admin for now. The interviewers field is where we can add other employees who will assist with selecting applicants. These interviewers will have access to all the applicants, their resumes, documents, and can attend meetings. Lastly, we have the interview form field. To enable this, we need to turn on the option under the configuration menu. Here we can select a test or questionnaire from the Service app for applicants to complete. Let's choose our basic recruitment form, which includes questions to assess experience, knowledge, availability, and other key factors. Now let's return to the job position form, as we still have more sections to complete. Let's move to the job summary tab, where we can add a brief job description. This summary appears on the job offers page of our website. The application info tab, this is where we define the interview process for applicants. The default settings apply to all job positions. For example, under time to answer, applicants receive a response within 2 days. If they proceed, they'll have one phone interview followed by one on-site interview. If they're a good fit, we'll send them an offer within 4 days. Before applicants can apply, we need to publish the job position. At the top there is a Not Published toggle. Clicking it turns it green, making the job live on our website. To confirm, let's click the Go to Website Smart button. And here's our new job listing, now visible to all applicants. Now they can apply and go through the rest of the recruitment process. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.